back to my channel. For today's video, I have a huge PR haul, as you can see. I thought I would just come on here and unbox everything and chat with you guys and just hang out. It's currently a couple days before Christmas, so a lot of brands sent me some goodies, which I'm very grateful for. Just a quick thank you to every single brand that has gifted me something. It really means a lot, and every day I just can't believe that this is my life. And also thank you to you guys if you're watching this video, if you've watched any of my videos, if you're subscribed. Just thank you for supporting me, and I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first thing I want to show you guys, I already opened, sorry, but I couldn't wait, is this. Oh my gosh, you guys, you're gonna be shocked, okay? So this brand reached out to me on Instagram, and I had heard of them before. If you haven't heard of them, their name is MSCHF, and if you don't know them by the name, you will know them by these shoes. Yeah, them. They DM'd me on Instagram and they were just like, hey, and I was like, do I respond? Like, what do I say? I just said hi back, just kind of like seeing what happened, and they were like, we want to gift you some shoes. I was like, oh great, it's gonna be those giant boots. They're gonna look so ridiculous on me. Like, I don't know. I just said yes. And then they sent me pictures of their new collection, and I was like, oh my god, yes, please send me those. So it's part of the Super Baby collection, which the whole vibe is like supposed to be shoes that look like kids' shoes, but they're for adults. They remind me of these Skechers that I had when I was like 7 or 8, and they would like light up on the side. But oh my god, I was shocked. Okay, I was shocked when I opened the box. They are just so chunky, which I love, and the silver and pink is just unlike anything I own. And I love the like star on the side. It says MSCHF. It has like the graffiti heart. It's very Y2K, and the back says Super Baby. Even like the top part right here reminds me so much of those Skechers from like 2006. It's just crazy. I love them. Even the box, it's meant to look like a little kid's shoebox. Like, just the whole concept is like really cool. Shout out to them. Moving on. This I already know is from 6 Dimension, as you can see. If you haven't heard of them, go check them out on Instagram. They're a really cool brand. I love all of their pieces. They've gifted me a couple items before, and everything they make is just so unique. Just like very cool girl vibe. So love them, and they reached out to me to work with me again. I think I remember what's in here, but let's take a look. Just like their designs and stuff are really cool. They always include stickers. Love that. Oh my god. It's this super cool mini skirt. This is so cute. I love like the shape of it. I don't really have a skirt like this. And then the little zipper is like a star, which is really cute. Love that. Here's the back. It's just black. And then there's another thing in here. This one I'm really excited for. It's really cool. We have this like cat sweater. Oh my god. This is so me. I love it. It's like open knit, and the cat is like fuzzy. Oh, this is so cool. I love it. Can't wait to style those. I'll probably style them together, honestly, with maybe some like black knee-high boots. And now I think I know what this one is. Oh my god, you guys are gonna be shook. Look at this. Okay, first of all, this is from Hot Topic, and I'm like a Hot Topic fanatic now, literally, and that's like the title of like Hot Topic influencers. So like every month I do a little campaign with them, and they send me some stuff. So this month, actually it's for next month, so like when I'm filming this isn't even out yet, and like no one even knows about this, but by the time I post it, like it'll be good. So they told me not to post till January, so it'll be January when I post this. But it's for Brat's Slumber Party, I think is what it's called. They sent me this like zip up hoodie, which is so cool, and it says Brat's on the front. It's like super glittery. You can't really tell on camera, but oh my god, so cute. And then the sleeves, hold on, let me like make it flat. Look at that. That's so cute. Oh my god. I'm literally gonna wear this today. Look at the back. So cool. Thank you, Hot Topic. And then they also sent me another package, which I saw, and I don't know what's in here. It just says Hot Topic. So let's find out. Oh, how cute. Hot Topic Holiday Hits. It says, for the record, we'd like to wish you happy holidays. Hope this season hits all the right notes. So I think it's just like a little Christmas gift as like a thank you for being part of the program. So there's this little ornament. It's supposed to be like a little record. And I think there's more underneath this. There is. Let's see. I feel like it's a candle. Am I right? I'm right. Ooh, it smells really good. And it says Hot Topic Holiday Hits on it. That's just so cute and super thoughtful. Always love working with Hot Topic. They're like super easy to work with. They're super nice and they have really cool stuff. And I'm always just like super excited to get it in the mail. So love working with them. All right, next up. Oh, this is from a like K-pop merch small business. It's called Sora Seven. She reached out to me on TikTok and wanted to gift me some New Jeans merch. And I was like, heck yes, love that. And she showed me pictures of them and they were super cute, so I had to get them. So she sent me 3 t-shirts. The first one, oh my god, it's so cute. Has like their little bunny. It says, you got me looking for attention. That's so cute. And then there's another black one. How cute. It says bunnies. That one's cute too. And then the last one is this pink one. This one's so cute. How many times am I gonna say this is so cute? Because everything's so cute. From the OMG music video, they even have the little outfits on. Stop. Adorable. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, let's move on to skincare and makeup stuff. Where did I put my scissors? Got them. Woo. Okay, this is from YSL Beauty. YSL Beauty spoils me so much, and I just can't believe that that's like a real sentence I'm saying and that this is my real life because it's freaking YSL. YSL sends me stuff. How? Literally how? I don't know. But ooh, your lips, your color, your style. So I think it's just a bunch of lip products, but there's like this big other box in there. I don't know what that is. Should I open that first? Yeah, I'm gonna open that first. It's killing me. I gotta know what it is. Oh, there it is. What is this? Literally, what is this? I'm so confused. I literally have no idea. I didn't read it. Is this one of those things where you can like make your own shade of lipstick? I think it is. Oh my god. I don't know. There's like a little bag for something and like the cord. What is this? Oh. A brush. Guys, what's happening? I don't know what this is. Comes with a little compact mirror. This is really cool. Okay, let me read more of the instructions and see. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Which, if it is, that's super freaking cool. Let's see what these are. Yeah, it comes with like a bunch of like different colors. I'm gonna look it up. Oh my god, you guys, this is $350. Yeah, design your own lip shades and bring them on the go. You put the lipstick that you make in this little thing right here, and you take it with you. Oh my god. Wait, I'm so excited. This is gonna be so fun. Let me see, is there a video? Yeah, personalization lip color creator liquid lipstick. Create thousands of custom shades with YSL color expertise and cutting edge technology. This is so crazy. Thank you, YSL Beauty. Sorry that took me a hot minute to figure out, but super exciting. And then speaking of YSL Beauty, I have another thing that I wanted to show you guys. I already opened it and did an unboxing of it on my TikTok, so go check that out. But I had to share it on here too because it's just really insane. They sent me a ginormous advent calendar filled with beauty products. And yes, I opened every single box in one day. I couldn't wait. But there's like perfume and makeup, skincare, like it's pretty crazy. I looked it up and it's like $400, so I don't know. I don't know how this is in my hands, but it is, and that is just crazy. So had to share that also, but if you want to see the full unboxing, check it out on my TikTok. And then we have more skincare, I think. Yes, this is from Skinfix, which I've heard really good things about them. This is the first time they're sending me something. Holy Grail moisturizer for a healthier skin barrier. My skin is dry as heck right now. My skin just like doesn't do well in the winter. Anything like this, I'm always excited to try, and hopefully this can fix my skin. Skin Barrier Restoring Gel Cream, and then Triple Lipid Peptide Cream. So they're supposed to be like super hydrating. Oh yeah, let's see. Targets dehydration, dryness, oily, blemish-prone skin, combination, and sensitive skin, which I do have all of the above, so this will be perfect. I can tell this is from Pixi. Yes, Pixi. I love Pixi Beauty products. They have really good under eye patches, which I use like almost every single day because my under eyes are so puffy. Here's this. Here's the back, tells me what's in there. Looks very perfect for the holidays. Their packaging is always really cute too. So there is Lash Line ink, which is just liquid eyeliner. Then liquid fairy lights. This looks cool. Our light reflecting 3D glimmers can be used alone or added on top to complete any enchanting eye look. I've been loving like eye glitter lately. It looks like it's gonna be super sparkly. Glowy powder. I'm pretty sure you can use as like blush or highlighter. And then the last thing is gonna be satin lip tint. I love me a good lip tint. That's what it looks like. Ooh, it looks really pretty. Excited to try all of those. I love trying new makeup. It's so fun. And then I have two more here. This is from Petite Moments, which if you haven't heard of Petite Moments, it's a jewelry brand and they make really unique pieces, which I love. And every time they send me stuff, I just like don't have anything like it. The first piece they sent me is this cross necklace that has like turquoise stones. This is really cool. So it'd be cool with like a dark lip and like a black dress. I don't know, I just get those vibes. Like going off of that so I can get it untwisted. There we go. This is super cool. This dark red beaded layered necklace. And then they sent me this little choker that has a rose on it. This is so cute. They also sent me these earrings, which are stunning. Oh, these are Petite Moments too, actually. Oh yeah, these are really cool. These will be perfect for Christmas or New Year's as just like a statement piece. Love that. And for the last one, let's see what we got. Did I save the best for last? Wow, I might have, honestly. This is from Valentino Beauty. Oh my god. First, in this little box, Valentino Born in Roma perfume. This perfume is amazing. I already have one, but it is getting low, so this came at the perfect time. Look at this. Beautiful and smells amazing. And also, first of all, this box. Oh my god, this is crazy. Why is this so crazy? Got the studded Valentino logo on there. And then it has a snap front. Oh my god. I am speechless. Wow. We got the mirror on top, and then in here it just says the party edition. It looks like two lipsticks. Let's check them out. Oh my god. Amazing. The logo is like embossed on the lipstick. That's crazy. And then the other shade is like a darker red. I might wear this on Christmas. Comes with, it's just like one powder, but you can use it as blush or eyeshadow, and the shade is gorgeous. It's like the shimmery pink. This is so pretty. Just like the packaging and everything is stunning. So there is that. Alright, that was everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like these types of videos. I've never made one like it before, but I love unboxing things and it's just fun for me, and I hope it's fun for you too. So let me know if you liked it and I can definitely do more. But thanks for watching as always, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!